This is a quick demo of how the washer driver works. So I'm going to go ahead and run the little Venus simulator here. I'm going to go ahead and expand the window for the 7-segment display. So we've got 2 displays here. We've got 2 buttons that we'll be using. We've got the LEDs that we won't be using. So I'm going to go ahead and have the driver run. So when it runs, the leftmost digit will show the mode. We can use the button below it, labeled button 0, to advance this, and it'll allow us to count up to 8, even though we only have 4 modes, 0 through 3. So I'm going to set it back to mode 0. The rightmost button is the start button. Once it runs, your code should use the leftmost display to show the little cycle moving along. It should use the spinner code from our previous assignment. So it'll start with the topmost segment lit up, and it'll go clockwise. And it will rotate the number of kind of cycles in each different phase of our wash cycle. The rightmost digit will show the outputs. It'll kind of represent which outputs are being on with just kind of a binary code. So I'm going to run mode 0. And if you remember, mode 0 has 3 different phases. So we'll see this go around at least once for each phase. The middle phase actually does 2 kind of cycles, which is described in the assignment. Okay, so outputs are on, soap and hot water for 1 cycle, then it moves on to the next part of the wash cycle, and it does this for 2 iterations. Then it moves on to the last one, which it does for 1 iteration. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and move to mode 1. And if you remember, mode 1 is the power wash warm. It's simplified from previous assignments, so it's only really going to have kind of 2 distinct sets of outputs that it uses. And one of them is a power wash cycle. So in the power wash cycle, we'll see the little spinner move twice as fast. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the start button, and it goes through the first phase, the soap and hot water. And then it goes through our power mode, where again, this is moving twice as fast. And in that particular case, it was going around twice. Okay, that's it for the demo.